Education is the key through which we can attain anything in the world. It's been correctly said. IDPS being a society school, being a recognized franchisee, and it's associated with HATRIC. So we are looking forward to quality. Today, to kick off the admission to generate the future leader, I would like to invite founder and chairman Dr. N.K. Kant sir to come over the stage with our honorable chairman sir and principal ma'am to inaugurate the session. Thank you so much.
I am extremely feel pleasure to announce that by today onward, for the session 2026-27, the admission has been started. And we hope that this year we shall cross the 4 digits. 3 digits we are struggling and the time has gone. The grace of Almighty God, and this is totally the credit goes to your effort. Thanks a lot. Thanks to you.
हमारी नई प्रिंसिपल आई हैं, ये माशाल्लाह इनके पास बहुत ज़बरदस्त एक्सपीरियंस है और ये कश्मीर के लिए भी नई नहीं है। इन्होंने 1 साल पहले भी कश्मीर में बिरला ओपन में गुजारा है, तो इनकी तारीफ पूरे इस वक्त इंडिया में है। तो हम शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं, मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ मिस्टर करण जी का कि उन्होंने इतनी ज़बरदस्त एक लीडर, एक कैप्टन, एक प्रिंसिपल हमारे लिए इंतखाब किया है। तो मैं अपने CAT की तरफ से, अपने पूरे CAT टीम की तरफ से, चौधरी ग्रुप की तरफ से करण जी को मुबारकबाद करना चाहता हूँ और शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ।
It's a warm welcome to everyone, and this occasion itself is a very wonderful occasion that we all are together here to announce the admission open. It itself is a very amazing thing. It's a big thing actually for any school. Maybe it's an established school or maybe it's a new school. But we are blessed that we are a part of IDPS society, and sir is already here with us for this occasion. So we are glad that we all are together here. And now I would like to put some glimpse of the agenda that we will be covering in the next upcoming session as we are stepping into that. We are doing very well actually. All teachers are putting their own efforts, according to their potential and capabilities. But maybe in near future, we will be doing our best efforts, best to best efforts, as sir has already told, like our target has to be now 4 digits, not the 3. So now the time has come that we have to step into good to great, to the excellent level. How we will be doing it, what are the efforts, what are the agendas? The first thing is you can say it is a discipline part actually. We have to inculcate among because it's a very challenging thing actually for the teachers also, for anybody. But yes, we are doing our best efforts. We have to put more efforts. So everybody around the children, among ourselves, discipline will be the most prior thing for the school itself. When everything will be organized and disciplined, in the curriculum also, in the academics also, in the time also, so we can shape the future of our children. So we are not shaping the future of today, we are shaping of tomorrow. So we are preparing the children for tomorrow, not for today. So we are not focusing only on the academic thing, that the syllabus part only. We will be building our nation leaders that through the life skill. So it should be life based, then it should be project based. It should be so that from the classroom to the real life situation, they should know what is the difference. It should not like that the things are only related to the classroom and we are restricted to the class only. No, they should learn and we have to help them. We will be helping the kids, taking them to the classroom, to the real life situation. And this will be our task. Every school is doing their wonderful efforts, but I think we have to focus more to achieve from good to great. So our focus will be on the harmonious development of the child in all the areas. So then, through the moral values, the ethical values, empathy is the word which we have to create among us and among the children. Then they should be a good human being first. Maybe they are getting very less marks in any one of the subject, but in real life situation, they should be a good human being first with the moral values, and when they will be going out, then we should feel proud. This teacher, you should also feel proud. I belong to IDPS. This child belongs to, and this should be recognized with the difference. So we have to make here to make a difference in everybody's life. Thank you so much.
I am proud to announce that the school is now preparing for CBSE affiliation in the upcoming academic session and will be upgraded to include class 11 and 12. Opening new doors for our students' future.
Today marks a very significant moment for all of us as we heartily welcome our esteemed newly appointed principal to our institution. On behalf of the entire staff, faculty, students, administration, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our principal. A big hand of applause. So, ma'am, your appointment is not just the beginning of the new chapter, but the beginning of new hopes, new perspectives, and a renewed energy. Over the past years, the school has grown through dedication, teamwork, and valued approaches. And today we believe that, I strongly believe, because I have personally witnessed the journey of the school for the past 8 years, that's a long time to go with. And I strongly believe that your leadership is a powerful addition to our continued journey. We're really excited and we are honored to have you here with us. Thank you so much, ma'am.